we're gonna do, we'll do some L sits. Get that core in, 3 sets. 3 sets. We're gonna hold between 7 seconds and 10 seconds. So, depending on where your level is, just try it out. Try it out. Trust me, it's good for your core. So, we're gonna do it. And with the legs too. Hold on a second. At least some water. I'm here, man. Hold on, people, hold on. Hold on. All right, let's get it. L sits. L sits, baby. So, we're here. Stay as long as you can. Your legs don't have to be too straight all the time. You want to be straight, but that comes with stretching. I didn't even get all the way yet because I'm not perfect at stretching. So I'm getting better at stretch. I'm not gymnastic. I'm just not perfect at it. Nobody is. So what we're gonna do, everybody start somewhere. So when you get tired, you can bring your knees in. And then when you're ready, bring them back out. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're good. Rest gonna go again. Like I said, if you can't do the L, hold here. It's cool. As long as you're getting that core in. We'll do 2 more. Ain't nothing, man. Now, if you're more advanced, turn the rest times a little bit lower and maybe increase the sets or add more reps to it. Instead of 10 seconds, hold 15. Maybe add another set. Maybe take away maybe keep the sets in the 10 seconds alone and only have 5 seconds in between. Like I said at the beginning, this workout could be a beginner, intermediate, advanced. You do what you want to do, make it more intense or just lessen it up. Come on, y'all. Oh, something about that. I ain't telling you something was on my jacket, man. Why you ain't telling me? Put a like for them, man. Appreciate y'all. Y'all still watching this video? I rock with y'all. Put a like for the algorithm. All right, let's roll again. Set 2. Set 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're good. Run again. We're good, y'all. Rock with y'all. Hit a like for the algorithm. Make sure y'all can see me, man. Make sure everything's good. Tell me. Let me see. Y'all can see me? Yeah, y'all rock with me. Yeah, come on. We got it.